Hey, welcome back to Easy Job English. I'm Ash.
And I'm Sage. So glad you're here with us today.
We've got a really good one today, Sage. Honestly, I think this episode is going to feel really comfortable.
Yes, comfortable. That's exactly the right word. You know, Ash, a lot of people feel nervous about speaking English at work.
They do, and that's completely okay.
It is. Just listening right now. This is already learning. You don't have to say anything yet. Just be here.
Just be here. I like that. And by the end of today, you're going to hear some really useful English, the kind you can actually use at your job, tomorrow, or even today.
Exactly. Real words, real sentences, nothing complicated.
So, Sage, how was your morning at work?
Oh, Ash, don't ask. My email was a disaster. I came in, sat down, opened my laptop, and immediately had 23 unread emails.
23.
23 before I even had my coffee.
That's a very relatable story. I think a lot of people listening right now are nodding their heads.
Yes. And you know what I said to my colleague? I said, "Good morning. This is going to be a busy day."
Good morning. This is going to be a busy day. That's a great line. Simple, natural, professional.
And anyone can say that at any job.
Exactly. So let's try it together. Ready? Just say it with me, nice and calm. Good morning. This is going to be a busy day.
Go ahead, say it softly, no pressure at all.
Good morning. This is going to be a busy day.
Perfect. Even if you just whispered it, that counts. You said real English at work. That's it.
Now, Sage, I heard something interesting in the news today about jobs and workplaces. Have you seen it?
What is it? Tell me.
So the news headline is, and we'll go slowly, more companies are using flexible work schedules to keep employees happy.
Oh, flexible work schedules.
Yes, flexible.
I love that word, flexible. It means not fixed, it can change.
Right, like instead of always working 9 to 5, maybe sometimes you start at 8, or maybe you work from home on Fridays.
That's flexible.
That's flexible. And the other word I want to pull from that headline is employees.
Employees. That means the people who work at a company.
Yes, if you have a job, you are an employee.
So right now, many of you listening are employees.
You are employees. And today we're going to talk about workplace English, the kind of English that employees use every single day.
Ash, I want to ask the listeners something. At your job, do you have a flexible schedule or is it fixed? You can think about that. No need to answer out loud, just think.
Just noticing the English around your own life. That's already powerful.
So Ash, let's talk about the morning at work, because I think the first few minutes of the workday, that's when a lot of people feel most nervous about speaking English.
Yes, you walk in, you see your colleagues, and sometimes you just freeze.
You freeze, you don't know what to say.
And honestly, that happens to everyone. Even native speakers sometimes don't know what to say in the morning.
Huh, really?
Really? So let's make it easy. What are some simple, natural things you can say when you arrive at work in the morning?
Okay, I'll start. You walk in and you see your colleague. You can say, "Hey, good morning. How's it going?"
How's it going is a really casual, friendly way to say, how are you? It's very common at work.
Very common. And the answer can just be, "Good, thanks. Busy morning." Or even just, "Pretty good. You?"
Pretty good. You? 2 words. That's enough. That's a full, real conversation.
Let's try it together. I'll be the colleague. You just walked into the office. Ready?
Ready.
"Hey, good morning. How's it going?"
Pretty good, thanks. You?
"Not bad. Coffee's ready if you want some."
Oh, perfect. I need it.
See? That felt real.
And it was short. 4 lines. That's a real office conversation.
And now you've heard it. You can do that tomorrow. Seriously.
And if you're nervous, just start with good morning. That alone is enough. You don't have to say everything. Just start somewhere.
Starting is the hardest part, but once you start, it gets easier. Every single time.
Every single time. That's true, Sage. I remember when I was new at a job and I was nervous about speaking with my manager. I kept waiting for the perfect moment to say something.
And what happened?
I waited so long that by lunchtime I hadn't said anything all morning and I felt terrible.
Oh no.
But then someone came to me and said, "Hey, do you want anything from the cafeteria?" And I just said, "Yes, please, a sandwich." And that was it. That was my first real conversation at that job.
A sandwich started it all.
A sandwich started it all. And from there, little by little, I got more comfortable.
See, that's how it works. You don't need a big moment, just a small one. A sandwich, a good morning, how's it going?
Little by little, step by step. That's how confidence grows.
And speaking of growing confidence, let's go back to that news headline for a second. More companies are using flexible work schedules to keep employees happy.
Yes, let's look at this a bit more.
So the word keep here is interesting, to keep employees happy. What does keep mean?
Keep here means to make something continue, to not let it stop. So to keep someone happy means to make sure they stay happy.
Like, I want to keep my job. That means I want to continue having this job. I don't want to lose it.
Exactly. I want to keep my job. That's a very real sentence. A lot of people feel that.
Or at a meeting, you might hear, let's keep the conversation short. That means let's not take too long.
Yes, let's keep it short. That's a really useful workplace phrase.
Do you use that, Ash?
Oh, all the time, especially before meetings. I'll say to someone, let's keep it under 10 minutes. And they always appreciate that.
Ha, I love that. So our second word today is keep, and it's flexible. You can use it many ways.
Let's just try one more sentence with keep. You can say at work, "Can we keep this between us?" That means please don't tell other people.
Oh, that's a very useful one. Can we keep this between us? For example, if someone tells you something private about a project or a change at work that isn't announced yet.
Exactly. It's polite, professional, and very natural.
Okay, listeners, just breathe for a second. You're doing really well. You've been listening this whole time. That's already learning. Don't underestimate what's happening right now. Your brain is absorbing this English.
It really is, even if it feels passive. Even if you're just on the bus or washing dishes, you're training your ear. And that is huge.
Huge. So no rush. Just stay with us.
Okay, Sage, I want to talk about something that comes up a lot at work. Asking for help.
Oh, yes. This is so important.
Because a lot of people, especially when their English isn't very strong yet, they're afraid to ask for help. They think, what if I don't understand what they say back?
That fear is so real. I've felt that too.
What do you do when someone explains something and you don't understand?
I used to just nod. I'd say, okay, and then go back to my desk completely confused.
We've all done that.
But then I learned a few simple sentences and everything changed.
Tell us.
So the first one is, sorry, could you say that again, please? That's it. 6 words. Totally professional. Nobody thinks less of you.
Could you say that again, please? That's so simple and so useful.
Or if they repeat it and you still don't understand, you can say, I'm sorry, I want to make sure I understand, and then explain what you think they said.
Like, so you mean I should send the report by Friday?
Exactly. You're showing that you're trying, that you care. That is impressive, not embarrassing.
And most colleagues, most good colleagues, they appreciate when you ask because it means the work will get done correctly.
Right. If you don't ask and you do it wrong, that's the problem. If you ask, that's professional.
Let's say it together. Could you say that again, please? Go ahead. Say it now.
Could you say that again, please? Nice and polite, nice and natural.
Perfect. Remember that one.
Now, Ash, let's talk about something even more sensitive.
Ooh, what?
Making a mistake at work and what to say.
Oh, yes, because mistakes happen. They happen to everyone.
They do. And in English, there are very simple, professional ways to respond to a mistake without making it a big, dramatic moment.
What do you say?
Well, the simplest thing is, I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it.
I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it. Short, clear, professional.
Nobody needs a long explanation. Nobody needs you to feel terrible. Just, I'm sorry, let me fix it. And then fix it.
And you know what? That phrase shows confidence. It shows maturity. It's actually a very strong response.
Because a lot of people panic, they say too much, they get flustered. But if you can just stay calm and say, I'm sorry about that, let me fix it, people will respect that.
I've said that phrase many times in my career, and every single time it worked.
Me too. Another option, if the mistake is bigger, you can say, I understand. Thank you for telling me. I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it. That's a beautiful phrase.
It is, right? I'll take care of it. It means, don't worry, I will handle this.
Very professional, very calm. People love to hear that.
Let's try both. First, I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it.
Say it once, out loud or in your head.
And then, I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it. Feels good, right? Feels strong.
It does. Now, let's go back to the news for a moment. The headline again. More companies are using flexible work schedules to keep employees happy.
Right. Flexible schedules. So companies are changing the way people work. Some people work in the morning, some in the afternoon. Some come into the office, some work from home.
And this affects how we communicate at work.
How so?
Well, when you have a flexible schedule, you might not always see your colleagues in person, so a lot of communication happens through messages or email.
Ah, yes. And that has its own English.
It does. So let's talk about simple email or message phrases, things you can write that are professional and easy.
Okay, let's go.
Starting an email or message, you can write, Hi, name, hope you're doing well.
Short, friendly, professional. Perfect.
Or, Good morning, I'm writing to ask about...
I'm writing to ask about. Very clear. Nobody is confused when you start like that.
And ending a message, you can say, Please let me know if you have any questions.
Please let me know if you have any questions. That's a standard closing. Very professional. Anyone reading it will feel good.
Or, simple, Thank you for your help. That's enough.
Thank you for your help. 3 seconds to write. Makes someone's day.
You know, Ash, I want to say something to the listener directly for a moment.
Go ahead.
I want you to know something. The fact that you're here, listening, trying, that is already remarkable. That takes courage.
It really does.
Learning a language while also doing your job, raising your family, living your life, that's not easy, and you are doing it.
And the English you need at work, it's not complicated. It's the simple stuff. Good morning. Could you say that again? I'll take care of it. Thank you for your help. That's it. That's most of what you need.
And you've already heard all of those today, so you're already ahead.
Already ahead. I love that. Okay, Sage, let's do something fun. Let's walk through a short workday conversation. Just a normal Tuesday at the office. And listeners, just follow along. Notice the words, feel the rhythm.
Perfect. I'll start.
Okay.
Good morning. You're here early today.
Yeah, I wanted to finish the report before the meeting.
Good idea. The meeting's at 10, right?
Yes, 10 o'clock. Do you have the documents?
I'll send them to you now. Give me 2 minutes.
No rush. Thanks.
2 minutes later.
Got it. Thanks. Looks good.
Great. Let me know if you need anything before the meeting.
Will do. See you in there.
And scene. That's a real conversation. That happens every single day in offices around the world.
And look at the phrases. Good idea. No rush. Give me 2 minutes. Will do. See you in there. All simple, all natural, all usable.
Let's highlight no rush. That's a beautiful phrase.
No rush. It means take your time. Don't hurry. No pressure.
And it's so warm. When someone says no rush to you, you immediately feel more relaxed.
Yes, and you can say it to your colleagues too. If someone is doing something for you and you don't need it immediately, just say, no rush, whenever you have time. Whenever you have time. People love to hear that.
Because everyone is busy. And when someone says no rush, they're showing they understand that.
What about will do? Let's explain that one.
Will do is a short way of saying, I will do that. Or, yes, I'll do it.
For example, can you send me the file? Will do.
It's quick, it's confident, it's professional.
And very American English, very common in offices.
Now, let's try it. Someone says to you, can you check that email when you get a chance? What do you say?
Will do. Go ahead, say it.
Will do. Easy, right?
2 words, total confidence.
You know, Ash, this is making me think about how far someone can get just by learning these small things.
You really can. I think people sometimes imagine that speaking English at work means being perfect. using big vocabulary, never making mistakes.
Right. That pressure is exhausting.
It's not real. Nobody expects perfection. They just want to understand you. They just want to work with you.
And you can do that with simple, clear English.
And honestly, the most important thing is showing up, being present, trying.
Yes, trying. That's what people remember.
So we talked about flexible schedules today. We talked about keep, employees, simple morning greetings, asking for help, what to say when you make a mistake, email phrases, no rush, will do.
That's a lot, Ash.
It is a lot, and it all came out naturally in conversation.
That's because that's how language works. You don't learn English by memorizing lists. You learn it by listening, by hearing things in context, by following real conversations.
Which is exactly what you've been doing for the last, how long has it been?
Quite a while now, and you're still here. That means something.
It means a lot. Okay, before we start wrapping up, I want to do one more thing, a quick scenario.
What scenario?
Someone at work comes to you and says, "Hey, can I get your opinion on this?" What do you say?
Oh, good one. So your opinion means what you think, what you believe, how you feel about something.
And someone asking for your opinion at work, that's a great sign. It means they trust you.
So you can say, sure, I'd be happy to take a look. That means, yes, I'm glad to help. Show me.
I'd be happy to take a look. That sounds so professional and warm at the same time.
Or even simpler. Of course, what is it? Short and friendly.
And then, when you give your opinion, you can use gentle language like, "I think," or "in my opinion," or "maybe we could."
Maybe we could is especially good when you want to suggest something without being too strong.
For example, "Maybe we could try this approach." That's soft. It's a suggestion, not a command.
People respond well to maybe we could. It opens a conversation. It doesn't close it.
Let's say it. "Maybe we could try this approach." How does that feel?
Strong, thoughtful, professional.
Good. Remember that one.
Ash, I want to do a quick recap before we close, because I think the listener deserves a moment to just hear everything we covered today in one clear pass.
Yes, let's do it gently.
First, good morning. This is going to be a busy day. A natural morning greeting.
Second, how's it going? A friendly hello. And the answer, pretty good, thanks.
Third, could you say that again, please? For when you don't understand. Always polite.
Fourth, I'm sorry about that. Let me fix it. When you make a mistake, calm and professional.
Fifth, I'll take care of it. Strong, confident, reassuring.
Sixth, no rush, whenever you have time, showing that you respect someone else's time.
Seventh, will do. Quick and confident agreement.
And eighth, maybe we could, for giving gentle suggestions.
8 phrases. 8 real, usable workplace expressions. You now have all of these.
And here's the beautiful thing. You don't have to use all of them tomorrow. Just use one. Pick one. Just one that feels comfortable.
Maybe no rush. Maybe will do. Maybe just good morning. How's it going? One phrase. One small step.
That's how it starts, and every step counts.
Every step counts. And every day you listen, you grow. Even on the days where you feel like nothing is happening, something is happening.
The language is going in, it's settling, and one day it just comes out.
And when it does, that feeling is incredible.
Incredible. I remember that feeling.
Me too. It's why we do this.
Ash, before we go, any final words for someone who's maybe listening at the end of a long day at work?
Yes. If you had a hard day today, if someone said something at work and you didn't fully understand it, if you stayed quiet when you wanted to speak, that's okay.
That's okay. Tomorrow is another day, another morning, another "how's it going?" Another chance.
And you'll be a little more ready because you listened today.
You listened today. That mattered.
All right, that's our episode. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We'll see you in the next one.
Take good care of yourselves, and remember, your English is growing, even right now.
Bye for now.
Bye.